When you search for Bluetooth car FM transmitters, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to really find the one that fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LENCNT T25. Let's kick things off with the LENCNT T25. Priced at just $14.99, this FM transmitter really grabbed my attention with its promise of crystal-clear music streaming and dual USB charging. If you want hassle-free hands-free calls while driving, this is worth a serious look. Plus, with the ability to stream music via Bluetooth or USB drive, you can enjoy your favorite tunes without any static. It supports multiple audio formats like MP3 and FLAC, which means you can play just about anything you want. The device also features 2 USB ports for charging, including a 2.4A port that can power up your smartphone quickly. Now, some people complained about the size of the transmitter, saying it can be a bit bulky in the car. Here's the thing though, if you have a spacious console, you won't even notice it. For those with smaller setups, just make sure to check the dimensions before buying. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that provides solid performance and convenience. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact or if you need advanced features. Now, if the size issue with the LENCNT T25 bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for compact setups. Product number 2, AILKIN Bluetooth Transmitter. Next up is the AILKIN Bluetooth FM transmitter, priced at just $8.99. This one caught my eye with its impressive fast charging capability and sleek design. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, you'll want to pay attention. Here's why this matters for you. The AILKIN features 54W of total power output across its 4 ports. This means you can fast charge multiple devices simultaneously, which is a game changer on long road trips. The Bluetooth 5.4 tech offers a more stable connection and clearer sound quality for your music and calls. The easy-to-read LED ring is a nice touch too, glowing blue for visibility at night. It also supports all Bluetooth devices and comes with a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Now, some users have mentioned that pairing can be a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it works flawlessly. Plus, for under $10, it's hard to complain too much about a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet efficient FM transmitter with fast charging. Skip it if you need something with a larger display or more advanced features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is a step up in price and performance. Product number 3, LENCNT 5.4 Adapter. Now let's talk about the LENCNT Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter, which comes in at $34.99. This one really stands out with its fast charging capabilities and vibrant LED lights. If you're after a high-performance adapter that also looks cool, check this out. The advanced microphone and noise cancellation features ensure that even in a loud car, your calls remain clear. It can charge 2 devices quickly with its PD30W USB-C and QC3018W USB-A ports, so you and your co-pilot can stay powered up. Plus, with 7 color lighting modes, not only does it enhance the ambience, but it also helps you locate the transmitter in the dark. Now, a few users commented that the light can be a bit distracting while driving. I get that, but you can always turn it off if it bothers you. Overall, the benefits outweigh this minor issue significantly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional transmitter that keeps your devices charged. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as it is pricier than some other options. If the extra features of the LENCNT 5.4 don't seem necessary to you, the next transmitter is a solid alternative. Product number 4, BAISHUN Bluetooth Transmitter. Next, we have the BAISHUN Bluetooth FM transmitter for just $9.99. This one is an absolute steal, especially with its fast charging and solid audio performance. If you're looking for a no-frills option that gets the job done, keep listening. With PD20W and QC3 fast charging, your devices will charge up in no time. This transmitter supports music playback through Bluetooth, TF cards, and U-discs, giving you options for how you want to rock out. The Bluetooth 5 technology provides a stable connection, and the built-in microphone ensures your calls are clear. It even has a voltage warning function to keep you informed about your car's battery health. However, some users found the setup instructions a bit lacking. But honestly, once you've used a few of these devices, the setup is pretty intuitive. Just a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you're looking for something with more advanced features or a higher build quality. Alright, that was another great budget pick. But the last product on my list might just offer the best mix of features and functionality. Product number 5, Nulexi 54W Adapter. Finally, let's check out the Nulexi Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter for $12.98. This one not only offers fast charging but also deep bass enhancements for music lovers. If you want a transmitter that amplifies both your music and your charging needs, this could be the one. The stunning bass feature is impressive, making your favorite songs sound richer. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the connection is faster and more efficient. The colorful lighting effects are a nice touch for nighttime driving too. Now, some users have mentioned that the bass feature can be a bit overpowering for some music styles. Here's the thing though, if you love bass-heavy genres, you'll really appreciate this feature, but it might not be for everyone. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves music and wants an adapter that can keep up. Skip it if you prefer a more balanced audio profile without the deep bass boost. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap this up and highlight the best options. To recap, the LENCNT T25 delivers solid performance at a great price, while the AILKIN offers fast charging and stability for a budget pick. The LENCNT 5.4 brings extra features and style, and the BAISHUN is a reliable option for those who want simplicity. Finally, the Nulexi provides an impressive audio experience with its deep bass. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.